In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Do you practice English often?
Sometimes, but I get tired.
Can I help you with English?
Yes, that would be great.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Spain.
Are you studying English?
Yes, I'm studying English.
Why do you study it?
It helps me meet new people.
Are you from the UK?
No, I'm not from the UK.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
How is your day going?
My day is nice, thank you.
Are you a shy person?
Yes, sometimes I am.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How many languages do you know?
I know 2 languages.
Do you like Sundays?
Yes, they are relaxing.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you work or study?
I study at a university.
What's your major?
My major is computer science.
Is it hard?
Yes, but I like it.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
What do you do on holidays?
I visit my family.
Do you take pictures?
Yes, I take pictures with my phone.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like dogs and cats.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes I go shopping.
Where do you buy clothes?
I buy clothes at the mall.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
Do you eat fast food?
Not often, maybe once a week.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
Can I call you later?
Yes, you can call me.
Where is your bag?
My bag is on the chair.
Is it your pen?
Yes, it's mine.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need some help.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Is your house big?
No, it's small but nice.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, I take the bus to work.
Is your friend here?
No, she's at home.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your English good?
I'm still learning.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch it every day.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
Do you sleep early?
Sometimes, not always.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny weather.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every morning.
Is your computer new?
Yes, it's brand new.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at home.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's very nice.
Do you go to school on foot?
No, I go by bike.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, please.
Do you like reading stories?
Yes, I read every night.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, here it is.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat chicken and fish.
Do you go out often?
Not really, I stay home.
Is your mom a teacher?
No, she's a nurse.
Do you like your city?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Are you cold?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you want to come with me?
Yes, let's go.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you need more time?
No, I'm ready.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat every morning.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little tired.
Is this your first job?
Yes, it's my first job.
Do you like your neighbor?
Yes, she is friendly.
Can I open the window?
Yes, please do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep 7 hours.
Is this your car?
No, it's my brother's.
Do you speak slowly?
Yes, I try to speak slow.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, every day.
Is this your phone number?
Yes, it is.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I bring my lunch.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you have a notebook?
Yes, in my bag.
Are you cold or hot?
I'm cold.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, it's close.
Is this your jacket?
No, it's not mine.
Do you open the door?
Yes, I open it now.
Do you wait for the bus?
Yes, I wait here.
Do you read the news?
Yes, on my phone.
Can you help me now?
Yes, I can help.
Do you want to come?
Yes, I want to join.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, on weekends.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is clean.
Do you bring your umbrella?
No, I forget it.
Are you going out?
No, I stay home.
Do you like your clothes?
Yes, they are new.
Can you call me later?
Yes, I will call you.
Do you hear that sound?
Yes, it's loud.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, I can.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm fine now.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, it is.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, with my dog.
Is your room big?
No, it's small.
Do you stay home tonight?
Yes, I stay home.
Are you hungry now?
No, I just ate.
Do you have free time?
Yes, after lunch.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Are you from Europe?
Yes, I'm from Italy.